Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Big block car, guys, very nicely done. A little bit of a hot rod, not outrageous, but really a very cool car. I'll tell you one thing. This thing runs and drives excellent. Nice and tight. It's got a mild built 454, nothing too crazy, but this thing does run. It's got a 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission with a lockup converter, so that makes it very drivable. It's got a brace 9-inch Ford rear end with Moser axles. But killer car, factory color combo. This is LeMans blue metallic. It's got the black vinyl interior. Really just a cool car, and another car that we got at a price point that you don't have to break the bank. I know these cars are just getting outrageously expensive, and we got a lot of people asking for a little bit cheaper cars, and I totally get it. But you're not sacrificing quality. This is a nice car. If you're going to ask me what would I have done to it, I don't know if I'm super hip on the wheels, but I'm going to leave it alone. I think it's got that kind of old school hot rod look. And like I say, it kind of goes with the package that the car's got. Bucket seats console, really just a good car. Nice, tight, straight driving car. Chrome and stainless is nice on it. Paint is really pretty. It's got the bucket seat console interior. You can see that front bumper's nice. Pretty LeMans blue paint. There was a couple little touch-up marks on it, but not a whole lot to really nitpick paint-wise. Glass is nice in the car. You can see that dash is nice inside. It's got I saw a couple little marks, but I wouldn't mess with that glass. But pretty car, man. It's got a good look to it. Like I say, it really runs and drives nice and tight, doesn't squeak, doesn't rattle. Just a good car. Fit and finish is nice on it. Car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got MH Racemasters on the rear, so we're not going to put it on the road today because those will be slipping and sliding with all this snow. BF Goodrich on the front. And it's got a set of 15-inch Weld Drag Lites in the rear. I'm sorry, in the front, all the way around it, sorry. Good looking car. It's got the Moser axles, you can see those in there. Again, that's a braced 9-inch Ford rear end. A lot of very cool performance components on this car, but they've made it driver. It's driver friendly. It's got front disc brakes. Again, it's a mild built 454, runs on pump gas, nothing super crazy. Holley Performance 4-barrel. It's got an Edelbrock Torker aluminum intake on it. It's got hooker, big tube headers. Does have power steering. It's also got a CPP power steering box on it. Power front disc brakes. They just upgraded the whole front suspension. It's an MSD Pro Billet distributor. Again, 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission with a lockup converter. Big block radiator with the dual electric fans. Pretty set of headers in there. Chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Just a good car. This is a nice car. Just a good, straight, honest car right here, guys. Door handles are nice. You can see they replaced the door rubbers on it. See how nice and clean the bottoms of the doors are. Again, factory black vinyl interior. Boy, all the edges are just nice and crisp. This is a pretty car. Bucket seats, console. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Factory dash showing 42,829. I'm sure that's not original, guys. It's got an aftermarket tack and gauges, aftermarket Pioneer sound system. There's your switch for your lockup converter. All that is, guys, is so that if you're on the expressway, you flip that on so that you can go in and out of overdrive as you please. If you're just driving around normal, you keep it off so it's not bouncing in and out of overdrive on you, so it doesn't fall on its face. It'll have the performance you want. Again, it's got a 9-inch Ford rear end, box lower trailing arms. It's got tubular upper adjustable trailing arms, 373 limited slip gear. It QA1 adjustable shocks in the rear. It's got 3-inch Flowmaster X-pipe dual exhaust system on it. It looks nice out here. It's bright and sunny, but it's one of those blistery cold Michigan days. Car's nice and clean in the trunk. Like I say, as you go around and look at all the edges on this car, it's clean as can be. It's nice underneath. It's got a custom fuel tank on it with a sump. And I can't brag enough about the way it drives, guys. It really hits the road nice and tight. First thing, Jordy actually drove it, and that's the first thing he said. He goes, man, that's just a good car. Yeah, you can see how nice the doors are. You know, that's about the only, you know, if you go around the car, you see a couple of touch-up marks, but that's about it. It's tough to really nitpick the car. The car is very nice. Seats are nice. Dash is nice. One little split in that steering wheel. The gauges are nice and clean. The heat, they don't have the heat hooked up. The controllers all function like they're supposed to, but they don't have the heat hooked up. Aftermarket tack and gauges. He's even got the overdrive selector in there in the console. We'll have Jordy go ahead and fire this thing up. Yeah, nothing too radical. Plenty of power. It's got all the power you want. It's got the dual electric fans. Car gets its R's quick, nice and tight. Got a good sounding big block. That's just a good car right there. Fuel gauge is functional. Your gauges are functional down there. Actually, I take that back. The doesn't look like the voltmeter's hooked up. I know the tack works. Radio works. Hopefully you can see the brake lights and that stuff working. That's just a really good car right there, guys. Somebody's gonna buy that thing and just have a blast with it. I know your dash lights work. Give it a little revs into the tack working. Radio works. Doors open and close real nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Great way to keep in touch with us through our Facebook page, our Instagram page. Definitely follow us on YouTube. You get a notification every time we post a video. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.